to the channel, to Real Life Exotics. How are you guys doing? I just came to Sergi's house. I don't know what he's doing, but I think he's taking a shower. I'm not 100% sure. Or he's actually dressing up, but I have to wake him up. Maybe he's even sleeping. We're actually gonna go and see this beautiful car we're actually getting in LA today, so I'm really excited about that. I gotta go wake up Sergi.
Yo!
Oh jeez, he's already up.
What are you doing at my house, man?
Hey, the
How
door.
did you get in, man?
Hey, the door was open. How you doing? You look like a pimp. Where's your cigar?
What's up?
Looking like a pimp. This guy is crazy.
You want some coffee, man?
Heck yeah, what do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What I mean, dude?
Hey, if you're making yourself one, give me one too. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I'm very excited, actually. I'm gonna...
Are you gonna drive on your new car like that?
Yeah. Yeah. We got a new car. I think Dan just told you we have to drive like 6 hours probably.
Yeah, without stop.
Without stop here.
So no bathroom breaks.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
You're driving, I'm sleeping.
But usually happen all the time.
Yep. Yeah, I'm not the biggest on driving.
Okay guys, we got a nice car. Nobody gonna see my boobs, right? So. Okay. What's up? Okay guys, I'm very excited. We bought a nice car. We're gonna send a video for half price. I mean half price. And you see, I mean you can see everything.
You gotta go for a good deal. A good deal.
We have a good deal, yeah, right. And I mean I have a good deal. Not that.
Yeah. Broke as a bone.
Yeah. So I look very, maybe sleepy, maybe not. I have to do my makeup. I mean my hairstyle. Yeah. So.
Yep, we're about to leave in like 5 minutes after this
I
coffee.
think I'm gonna drive like that. You know, it's warm and feels cool. Hey guys, we're ready to go to freaking Los Angeles.
With your Gucci bag.
Doesn't matter what kind. That's fake one from Walmart. New one just came out, guys. So you can buy it for how much? 50 bucks, I think.
From China.
No, dude, you have all stuff from China. And
of course.
Sergi never used China stuff. No, we go in 6 hours, so we're gonna show you guys what kind of car we got. It's a freaking nice car. That's my dream actually. And I'm very worried if some parts is gonna miss it or somebody gonna steal it from auction, but I hope not. We'll see. We'll see. But thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's see what parts we got.
Wow, brand new fender. Wow!
That's very good.
Where's the used fender?
There's a
Oh, it's
lot
over
of
here.
parts.
Wow, it's all brand new, dude. I'm so happy we just got ROYCE, so I see all parts over here. I hope everything gonna be here. I hope.
There's a lot of parts here that are almost brand new, right?
Yeah, no, that one brand new. That one used bumper.
Okay. Just rip everything apart. Man, this guy's like opening Christmas presents.
He's coming, yeah, like his present. He's gonna pick it up the rolls right now. Can you record in?
He's over there, if you guys can see it. That white beauty. He's about to come over here. Oh, I see it. Right there. Yeah. Amazing. Open this thing up. We got, yeah, rip it apart. Let's see what kind of parts we got.
I hope car not gonna have some damage, like frame damage.
Just take the bumper off. Look at that. Look at that.
Сейчас брейки подниму.
That beauty.
Sergey,
how you feeling?
Okay, I feel great, but I'm looking for the grill right now. It's right here, right here. Cool, cool, I got it, cool.
Where is it?
Cool. Right here.
Okay, perfect.
So they bring out brand new parts for the Rolls-Royce. I think insurance companies start working on the car, start fixing it, and owner decided to not fixing it, something like that. So that's why they bought it all brand new parts, and they never put it on. So I'm gonna put it on.
Perfect.
Okay, guys.
There's so much parts.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
We got so much
controls. I mean, all parts what I need is here. Everything, even the clips, even the bolts.
all the small things.
Even the fender is so small damage, is the fixable, and they
got us a new one.
Yeah, they put in brand new one. They put in brand new subframe. I know why. That one I just check is perfect, but I'm not gonna measure, so we'll see. We'll see. Like, I mean,
there's so much new parts.
I'm really happy. I'm really happy because I'll support everything brand new. Oh yeah. Even the wheel.
Do you want to just fix the car today?
Probably. Maybe I'm gonna work on the parking lot somewhere.
Somewhere in the parking lot fixing the Rolls Royce. Perfect. This is so good.
Wheel. Oh, this wheel is damaged.
Damaged wheel.
I don't think we need this wheel, man.
Yeah.
I mean, we can. No room to put it on. Okay. What is this? Like some
Harnesses.
some bolts. Some. Yeah, everything. Oh my gosh, everything. Everything. All caps, brand new, man.
Brand new. We got more antifreeze.
Even the rock and pinion, brand new. I don't know, it's cost like thousands bucks, you know. Okay, guys, we just put in the Rolls-Royce on the trailer, and we just tied it up and put in the parts, all parts in the car, in the Porsche. You can.
I was glad it actually fit everything inside. There's so much of it.
Look, let me.
Look,
I mean, I think I cannot open it even. Look.
Hopefully it doesn't fall out.
Look. No, I don't think it's gonna fall.
It's stacked.
So I recommended Porsche using for the parts.
Yeah, we use Porsche as parts.
As you see, it's everything, even the wheel fit. I mean, tire, all suspension, everything, bumpers, fenders, side skirts, everything. So,
and we're glad the trailer, the car actually fit on the trailer. We thought it was be way too wide.
yeah, I'm very worried if it's not
or
fit.
way too long, but
Yeah.
it was perfect. Thank God it was perfect.
Yeah, and we just put it back a little bit together, and we're gonna drive, and people can enjoy.
People can enjoy this beautiful car on the trailer.
Yeah, and I'm very happy. All parts, almost all parts, only one headlight missing.
And
Somebody still, yeah, one headlight missing, and maybe something small, but
we don't know yet.
we have a lot of extra parts. We have a lot of extra, so.
But look how beautiful this is.
So we have to drive like 6 hours back.
To Sacramento.
No, a little bit more, I think, maybe 7 because
7 hours.
we drive here fast, and right now we can drive only 55 miles per hour. So let me walk around. Car starts, no problem. No airbag blow up, nothing. It's just, I mean, for me it's cosmetic because I don't have to do like. I have to put in just new suspension, fender.
Yeah, we just put a lot of things back
Bumper.
so we would have room in the Porsche.
Yeah, we don't have a room, that's why we put in parts.
Just put everything back so it looks good.
Yep. I'm a little bit tired because I drive all night and then
I'm sleeping.
yeah, he slept all night, so
I felt great.
yeah, I feel tired. Okay guys, we just came back from Los Angeles. We bring this beautiful Rolls-Royce.
Oh, amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Dude, amazing in the back. I feel like a king.
Yeah, and we're gonna show you guys on the next video how we're gonna fix it. And
Fix it, start it.
what parts we have, what parts we don't have. And we're gonna show you how we're gonna drive this car, test it, everything. So
Yeah, I'm very excited. This beautiful car.
I mean, I excited more than on Lamborghinis or Ferraris. I don't know why.
And this is your first Rolls Royce, right?
Yeah, that was no. I have old one.
No, like
New
this
one, yes. That one is
newest
first one.
ones.
Yes.
Amazing. I can't wait to start it. And I can't wait until
No.
this thing is fixed so I can actually drive it.
Feels so good.
Yeah, man. Amazing. If you sat in here, you would want to do a lot of things in here.
What do you mean, Ben?
You know what I mean.
I know what you mean. It's a lot of room over there.
Yeah,
or what?
man, a lot of room. You want someone sit on my lap?
Alright guys, thanks for watching and please
Bye.
subscribe. We're gonna show you more and more videos. I mean, we're gonna make more videos and we're gonna have a lot of projects. So thank you.
I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open.